Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got the machine running, and then I've been hauling some logs out of the front yard, and I'm going to carry on and do a couple on video to show you some of the uses for this and to give you some video to look at. I'm not picking up by hand. There's no way. Well, this is new. I'm gonna try. Thought I was gonna roll it right into the bed. I need truck bed liner in that, the gritty stuff. So I'll use my knees and roll it up and roll it in. With that one, I can almost use a ramp. Let's see if I can get that on there without hurting myself. That's a big one. Well, that'll do it. Now I just roll them over. Those were bothering me for a long time. This is worth every penny. I'm probably gonna go out and split or cut down some logs for the fence because it's cold today. Cold weather is best for cutting so I don't sweat so bad. This alone is awesome. The ability to carry my stuff out. I've got a walkie-talkie to, Melanie's got one in the house. I've got one here in case we need to talk to each other. And I've got all my gear here trying to see. Yep, I'm recording. Got everything here. There's a tree on my fence, and if it's not too rotted, that's a perfect fence post for the front. Actually, I see a few fence posts right there. So I'm going to start cutting these up, putting them in the trailer, and well, I'm going to cut them up, and then I'll come back with an empty trailer. Haul my gear home. That's so much better to have all that in the wagon instead of carrying it all the time. So there's a lot of stuff got killed this year, and it must have been some brutal winds out here because there's a lot of down stuff. There's also some logs that I had cut in the snow 2 years ago that, well, got buried in the snow as I was cutting. So that's why I wanted the garden tractor. I'll be able to run around all through my own property where the Jeep can't go, in and around these trees, and pick up all the logs, the firewood. So it's going to be a great benefit all the way around. There's a lot of dead stuff, a lot of stuff down all over the place this year. Now, this is all new because I'd clear this out. So right here alone I can start cleaning the brush, get that off my fence. Well, I'll show you what I'm looking at. That doesn't look natural, does it, guys? My no trespassing sign was on that. And he's been brushing it out. Actually, I don't know where the tree went here, but it's gone. And that was brushed out. Look at those cuts on that. Where am I? Let me see. Those are chainsaw cuts. And there's a mess of trees missing out here and cut out. I need to pay more attention back here on my land. There's a whole mess of trees are missing from this whole area here. They're all missing here. All my no trespassing signs and the trees that held them are all gone from this area. There's all kinds of trees up in here been cut. Look at that. I haven't logged here before. Those are cut with a chainsaw. Probably last fall, it looks like, because they're aged a little. I need to pay more attention back here. But I'm looking at all the down trees through here. I'm thinking that's really extreme. There's a lot of dead trees back in here, more than ever before. And I'm finding chainsaw cuts on a lot of them. That's frustrating. And he's sitting there with a tripod. Every single thing I do, if I'm in my property, he's recording me. If I'm in my land, where I am right now, he's recording me. I wonder what he's doing with that video. Everything I do, he's recording me. This is my job, this is my land, and this is what I do. And what he's doing with my video or me, I don't know. Anyway, I'm cleaning it up. That's all been cut. He was probably going to come get that this spring and burn it for firewood. There's chainsaw cuts all through here. That's all been cleared off of brush. It's all up over here. That was not me. I'm not cutting any big trees like that. Especially not, those were live trees last year. And I'm certainly not cutting the ones that are holding my no trespassing signs and the whole thing holding the wire. It's all gone here. There's nothing holding the wire anymore. It's all gone. And now I've got some firewood and some stakes. for the fence. Those are the legs, the upright, the near uprights. There's a lot of wood out here though. I tell you, there's a whole lot of wood out here. More than there ever was since I've lived here. Something is weird here. I mean, everywhere I turn there's wood down. Oh, through here there's trees down. Oh, through here. I don't know, it's weird. But, yeah, there's a path being cleared. Right here. Very strange. Anyway, I'm getting some stakes. From this big boy, I might get a 2x4. It's sort of straight. There's pretty good meat on that, so I'm keeping that as is. I might cut it to 10 feet. Burn the rest firewood. The top part, keep the bottom section, run that in my mill. All the rest of this is pretty badly rotted. Look at all that down this year. That's just not right. That's just crazy. That's just a lot of wood down. Anyway, so this is my job today. I might run on the mill a little bit later. I might drag this one over and play with it. That'll be an easy one for the mill. But my goal today is firewood. Firewood and fence posts. Firewood and fence posts. Whatever I can get out of the trees for fence posts, that's first priority. Second priority, firewood. Whatever I can't get out of that. That's a lot of it here. I'd cut more, but I'm low on gas and the chain is dull. No point in wasting gas on that dull chain. I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fence posts and a lot of firewood I got to come back and pick up later. So, I don't know, I've been out a couple hours maybe. Normally the chainsaw lasts a good hardcore hour of straight cutting. Hour and a half I think. But I've been sorting, cutting, pulling brush, piling logs, measuring. That takes a little longer. That's a nice load for a start. I'm gonna go have coffee and sharpen a chainsaw and come back. Over to the debarking station. Now that was nice. I hauled that out of the woods. I love that. I needed something like this a long time ago. Now, this is the biggest I would pull with that without hurting it. I'm gonna make a little frame with wheels. And then we're gonna have a nice log roller. Trying to get the mill running. I didn't get any sparks, so I got a different plug. Oh no. Why does that one not fit? Might have to try swapping the ends. The other one must be bigger. I put the old head back on, the new plug. Yeah, that makes a difference. See if I can get some spark out of this. Oh, now the sun's gonna blind me. Oh yeah, I think I saw it. I don't want to get myself hurt. I might need my spark plug tester. The sun just got in my eyes. Anyway, I'm trying to check for spark. I don't want to do the zap test holding it. That hurts. I'm trying to see if I get spark. It was flooding, so there's definitely the plug was not happy. Well, I can't get spark, and it's getting late. It's going on 7, and it's bitter cold. It's really, really, really cold. So I'm gonna call it a day. It was nice out for a while, especially working on the chainsaw and stuff, but I got tools and equipment all over the place, and I guess that's a day. I'm gonna clean up and be done. So, oh well, that's, you know, life in the homestead. Sometimes you have a great day, and sometimes it doesn't end so hot like that. I don't know if it's the coil or what. It's cold, and I'm gonna have to take that off. It ran last time I used it, but it's not now. So I'm gonna have to take it in and figure it out. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Talk to you all later.